leg. And one of the questions I want you to ask everything in your life is, why is it done that way? On everything, why is it done that way? Because most people don't know why anything's done that way. Does that make sense? But I want to tell you this story. Ladies and gentlemen, railroad tracks, American railroad tracks, are 4 feet, 8.5 inches wide. They're not 5 feet. They're not 4.5 feet. They're 4 feet, 8.5 inches wide. Now, I'm thinking to myself, why would an American railroad track not be 5 feet or 4.5 feet? Why would you make it 4 feet, 8.5 inches wide? Have you guys ever wondered the same thing? I can understand that. But you lie in bed and you're going, why would American railroad tracks be 4 feet, 8.5 inches wide? Well, let me tell you why. Because the wagon trains in the United States, right, the wagon trains, the wagon wheels on the wagon things were 4 feet, 8.5 inches wide. So what they did was, when they went to the railway, they thought, well, rather than retool stuff, we'll just pick up the tools from the wagon wheels, which were 4 feet, 8.5 inches wide, and just drop that into the railway system, and that way we don't have to build new tools. Does that make sense? But it raises a question. Why were American wagons 4 feet, 8.5 inches wide? Because they got the tools from you guys. They got the tools from the British. And they brought them over when they started building the United States. Which raises a question. Why were the British wagon wheels 4 feet, 8.5 inches wide? The reason you did that is you designed them to be 4 feet, 8.5 inches wide because they had to fit exactly in the wheel ruts that were running in the roads right across your country that the Romans built. The Romans built roads right across your country, and there were wheel ruts in there, and they're 4.5 inches wide. If they built the wagon wheel train any different, they would have snapped off. Which raises a question. Why were the Romans using chariots in England with wheels that were 4 feet, 8.5 inches wide? And the reason why a Roman chariot has wheels that are exactly 4 feet, 8.5 inches wide, because when they went into battle, the chariot had to carry 2 war horses, and the exact distance of 2 horses' asses is exactly 4 feet, 8.5 inches wide. So the entire American railroad system basically was built around a horse's ass.